Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful video. If you're an American Express cardholder with points stacking up, you might be eager to turn them into something fun and practical, like gift cards for your favorite stores. Today, I'm walking you through the entire process step by step, so you can redeem those points hassle-free. Let's dive in. First off, start by logging into your American Express account. You can do this through the official website or the mobile app, whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're in, make sure you're in the right place. Head over to the Membership Rewards section. This is your gateway to all the redemption options. Next, browse through the rewards catalog. You'll see a variety of categories, but we're focusing on gift cards. American Express partners with tons of retailers, from everyday spots like Amazon and Starbucks to travel brands. Scroll or search for gift cards to narrow it down. Now, select the gift card that catches your eye. Each one will show you how many points it costs. For example, you might need 1,000 points for a $10 card. Always double-check the value to ensure it's a good deal. Aim for redemptions where points equal cash at a 1-to-1 ratio if possible. Once you've picked your gift card, review the details on the next screen. This includes the points deduction and any terms, like expiration dates. If everything looks good, hit that Redeem button. You'll get a confirmation, and depending on the retailer, your gift card code might arrive via email or be available in your account right away. A quick tip: not all gift cards offer the best value, so compare options before redeeming. Also, keep an eye on any minimum point requirements or fees, though Amex usually keeps it straightforward. There you have it. Redeeming American Express points for gift cards is simple and rewarding. Give it a try and enjoy your freebies. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite redemption stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.